to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Students, today we are going to learn maths of standard 3rd and the name of the chapter is patterns. Students, you know the meaning of pattern? Yes, patterns means the repeated design or repeated shape or repeated numbers, whatever. The repetition of the same thing that creates a pattern. Got that? We will go through some examples and then we will come to know the meaning of pattern. Okay? Students, here note the patterns in the sequence of letters below. Okay, now we will see the patterns in the sequence given in the table. See, this is a table, correct? Now we will write some letters. This is A, okay? Then this is B. Again A, B, again A, again B, A, then again B, this is A, this is B. Yes, dear students, here in this table we have made the pattern using the letters A and B. How is the pattern? The pattern is in the form of AB, 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 AB. Got that? See, this is the pattern. AB, again repeated AB, then again AB, AB, AB. Got this, students? Okay, we will go through one more. See this table, again we have to give importance to the pattern. How the letters repeat, we will see. This is A, again A, B, A, B, A, B, A. See here, we can see the pattern of A, B, isn't it? A, B. Again A, B. Again A, B. Here A is there, then next one will come A, then B. Got this, students? This is one different type of pattern. See one more. Now here A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B, A. See, I know you got the pattern, isn't it? Yes, you are right. The pattern in this table is ABB, again ABB, ABB. Got this? Here we have gone through 3 different types of patterns. Now look at the patterns below. Which one is like AB, AB? Which one is like AAB, AAB? And which one is like ABC, ABC? Okay, we will go through. See, this is the question. Please observe the pattern carefully. Now we have to identify this pattern. Is it like AB, AB or it is AAB, AAB or in the form of ABC, ABC? Here we can see a rectangle or a quadrilateral, correct? A rectangle and a diamond. Again rectangle, again diamond, again rectangle, again diamond. If you think this rectangle as A, okay, and this is as B, then go on repeating the, here it is repeated patterns we can see. Again this is A, this is B. means we have got AB pattern. Got that? Which pattern is this? AB, isn't it? Because rectangle is repeated after diamond. Right? Okay, see the next one. See this. Now, again assume this triangle is A. And here this is also a triangle of the same color, so it is also A. This is a oval, so it is B. Now again same A, B, A, B, isn't it? So the pattern is AAB, AAB. Right? Okay. Now we will move to the third one. See this. One face is there, then different picture and one oval is there. See, these three are different from each other. Again they are repeated. Okay, got this? Now assume this is A. This is different one, so we will name this as B. This is also different one, so we will give new name, that is C. Again this green colored face is there, so again it became A. Correct? This became B. So what is the pattern here? That is ABC, ABC, isn't it? I think you understand about the pattern. Some more examples we will go through. Now look at the patterns below. Which one is like AB, AB? Which one like AB, AB? And which one like ABC, ABC? See the first one. You have to keep in mind that the patterns AB, AB, AAB and ABC. Okay. See the first one. That is flower with a leaf. You can see the same flower, same leaf. Right? Here we can say this is AB, AB, isn't it? So I will write here A, B means here this leaf is B. Again flower A, again leaf B. So the format is A, B, A, B, isn't it? Okay. Now see the second one. One flower erect, the another one is red colored inverted, ulta. Again pink color erect and red one is inverted. So this is also I think AB, AB, isn't it? Same repetition we can see here. Now we will move to third one. See here, one green colored flower and one red color flower. Correct? And some dots. Again green color, again red color, again dots. So this is A, B, AB. You can see this, otherwise you can say ABC, ABC also. Correct? If you take the dots in count, then you can say ABC, otherwise AB, AB. Now the last one, a elephant face is there, a camel's face and the giraffe. Correct? Again elephant, camel, giraffe. So you are right. If elephant is A, then camel becomes B and the giraffe C. So ABC, ABC pattern we can see in the last one. Here also we will take ABC only. Okay. Dots also we will take in account. Next, see, this is a star. Please go on observing the pictures, and I will not give much time because here we are wasting our time. I am drawing in front of you, correct? So now which one will come next? First star, then rectangle star, then rectangle star, rectangle. Now what will come here? Yes, you are right. Here star will come. Correct? Next, star, again star, rectangle, rectangle, star, star, rectangle, rectangle, again star. Yes, what will come here? Yes, correct. One more star. Yes, you are right. Here it should be one more star. Okay. Now next picture. Star, rectangle, 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 star, rectangle, 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 again star. So what should be here? Yes, you are right. It should be a rectangle. Correct? Because one star, three rectangles. Next, star, rectangle, star, star, rectangle, rectangle, star, 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 rectangle. So, rectangle. Yes, what will be there? Yes, dear students. Here it should be a rectangle. Correct? Am I right? Because see, here it is growing. Here one star, then two stars, here three stars, isn't it? So one rectangle, two rectangles. So here must be three rectangles. This is a growing pattern. Okay? The numbers are increasing slowly. Now see this. Now please see the directions. Okay? This is the right side, down, left. It is pointing up. Okay? Now again, right, down, left. Don't know now. Yes, here you have to draw the next three patterns. Next three series or sequence. See, left, down, right, up. Now here in the last it is left. So what should come here? Up, isn't it? Right, down. Got the students? You have to continue that sequence. Now here A, B, B, A, B, B, A, then question mark. Then what to write here? A, B, B, A, B, B. So A, B, B, then again A. Isn't it? Very good. Next, here a circle, triangle, square, diamond, circle. Three questions. Now you have to fill this. Then what is there? Circle, triangle. You got the question marks in between the series. Then what you will draw here? After circle, what is there? Correct. Triangle is there, isn't it? So we will draw the triangle. After that, square. After that, diamond. Very good. You got the point now. Next here, first one, Please go through the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, dash. Don't know. You have to find out the next 3 numbers. Come on, students. Yes, you are right. This is 5 times table. 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Nice. Now we will move to next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, dash dash dash. Means we don't know. You have to fill this. Okay, now you know this very easy. After 70 comes 80, 90 and 100. It is 10 times table, isn't it? Okay, good. Next one. 1, 5, 9, 13. Some relation is there. Please find out. 1, then 5, then 9, then 13, then 17, then 21, then 25, then 3 question marks. You have to find the next 3 numbers. If you practice like these questions, it will become very useful for the scholarship exam in standard 5th. Yes. Please see some relation is there between these numbers. Yes, you are right. There is a difference of 4 numbers. See here, 5 minus 1 is 4. Correct? 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is again 4. 17 minus 13 is again 4. Otherwise, you add 4 numbers to this. 17 plus 4 if you add, then you get 21. Then plus 4 you add, whatever which is easy for you that you can go through. Again now for 25 plus 4 you add, then what you will get? 29, isn't it? Then 30, 31, 32, 33 we will get. Then next number should be 37. Got this? If you add or if you find out the difference, whatever which will become easy for you, that you can follow. The numbers will remain same. Okay? Students, see this table and go through the pictures shown in each block. Please give attention here. See, it is growing. If you see carefully, then you will get the next sequence or the next pictures. Yes, here question marks. See students, what will be the next pictures? Guess. I will help you here. This is only a first one, only a segment. No arrow marks are there. But here we can see the arrow mark on one side. In the next picture, we can see arrow marks on both the sides. Okay, this picture is complete. So again, one more line came in the opposite direction. And it got in the second stage an arrow mark on one side. Then in the next one, arrow mark on both the sides. Now this again completes, so they together, they are standing here, and one more, this segment appeared. Okay, again this got one arrowhead. Yes, the next one will get 2 arrowheads, isn't it? Here 2 completed lines and arrowheads on both the sides. Yes, in the next picture Again, this is complete picture. Okay, now we will draw these three first in the same direction. Okay, then what will come? Yes, one segment will arrive. Right. Very good. See the next one. This is a easier one. Now this is okay. Now second, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, dash, dash. Then what is the answer here? Yes, you are right. That is 18, 20. Correct. Because there is a 2 number addition, or there is the difference of 2 numbers. Right? Next one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Yes. What is the next numbers? 2 numbers we have to write. Yes, students, you are right again. The difference of 2 numbers. Correct? So if we add 2 to 15, then we will get 17. Then if we add 2 to 17, then we will get 19. Yes, very good. This is a pattern. Now students, match and complete the patterns. See first pattern and you have to match with that answer. Okay. See first rectangle, then green circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, then this green colored circle. See, observe the color also. Okay. In the second one, circle, triangle up, inverted triangle, then circle, triangle up, inverted, circle, then again red color triangle. Correct? Yes. Next, a drop picture, flower, drop, flower, drop, flower, drop, flower. A, B, A, B. Isn't it? This is A, B, A, B. Next, this is right angle, then equilateral, that is inverted, again right angle. This is also A, B, A, B. So now we will get orange colored inverted triangle. Correct? Yes, easy it is. Next, star, oval. This is also A, B, A, B. So the answer is oval, blue colored. Right? Next one, star, rectangle. This is again A, B, A, B. So again we will get star. Next, plus rectangle, plus rectangle, plus rectangle. Then next one is plus. Isn't it? Very easy. Did you enjoy? Okay. Now see this. You have to fill this because this is from your textbook. You can go through this. This is on page number 44. You can draw the same in your textbook with the help of the pencil. Okay. See, I will tell you only for this one. Watch. 6, 7, because here 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it is given. Then we have to fill these 3. This is 6 o'clock, this is 7 o'clock, and this is 8 o'clock. It should be, isn't it? Now here AA, BB, CC. See, one is in the right position, one is in the reverse position. So here D in the right position, D in the reverse position. Okay, that flower you can draw in the textbook and also of the leaf. Okay. match the picture which follow. See here. Here pictures are given. Okay, you have to match the pictures. Next picture which will come, that we have to think. See here, H and the cock. These are toys. Yacht, cock. See, this is AB. So here cock will come, isn't it? Yes. Now here drum and toy cars. Two cars are there. Again drum. Two toy cars should be there. So here we will do here? We will bring here toy car. Okay. Now here A, B, C. C. First car is there, then elephant, then yacht. Again car, elephant, then what will come? Then yacht picture should be there. Isn't it? Next, two cocks, one drum, two cocks. Again, one drum should be there. Isn't it? So this is AAB, AAB. Right? Next, yacht, drum, then elephant should be there, isn't it? Double. AA, BB, CC. Right? Very good. Now here, repeating patterns. See, this is a repeating pattern. You can see here a rectangle and a diamond you can see, and you can see hexagon means 6-faced picture, and trapezium means 5-faced picture you can see, correct? And they have different colors, so it will become easy to count. Now we have to first count how many blocks did you use. See, first one here, rectangle is there. Okay, this is rectangle na, orange color rectangle. Here we have to count in this pattern how many orange color rectangles are there. Okay, we will count. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So how many are there? We will write here 4. Okay, good. Now we will move to the diamond shaped figure, that is blue in color. See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, isn't it? Means how many are there diamonds? 8 blue colored diamonds are there. Okay, then we will move to yellow color hexagon, 6-faced figure. Only one is there. So here we will write 1. And what about the trapezium? Means 5-faced figure, red color. So here 1, I will take yellow here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So we will write 6 here. So altogether how many blocks used? Total 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 1 13, plus 6 is 19, isn't it? 19 blocks are used to make this pattern. Got? Circle the correct one. Again we can see here pattern and answer is given here. We have to circle the proper answer. See here blocks are there. Blue block, red, blue, red, blue, red, and that should be blue. Right? Very easy. This is AB. In the second one also triangles are there. One empty, one black colored, and one white you can say. And again second one is black colored. AB. So the last one is white colored. So our answer should be black colored. Isn't it? Next vowels are there. Green color, then coffee color or brown, then yellow, again green, brown, yellow, green. Isn't it? This is ABC. Next, a vowel of orange color, circle of pink, again circle pink, oval orange, circle pink, next should be oval orange, isn't it? Last one, violet rectangle and blue rectangle, light blue, okay, violet, blue. So the answer should be violet. Next one is violet rectangle, isn't it? Good. Students, this is for you. I have done so much. Now this is for you. You have to fill the blank. You know how to do, right? Go on. This is repeating. What is this? These figures are repeated again and again. You have to find out the pattern. Is that AB, or is that AAB, or is that ABB, whatever. Okay? And you will enjoy this. Now dear students, pause the video here and you guess the answers. You draw this in your notebook. Only answers you draw in the notebook. Okay? And then again start the video. Okay, this is one page for you and one more page is there for you. Okay, this is one more page. This is also for you. Here repeating patterns are given. You have to continue them in 2 blocks or in 3 blocks. Will you do? Again pause the video, draw these and again then start the video. Okay? Are you going to promise me that you will do? You will enjoy this. Okay? Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.